Look at you rolling. I have in my fanny pack.
Oh, I have a fanny pack. Got a fanny pack.
Packing that hiking gear.
Huh? More ice? It's like a fairy tale. Look at it. That's a good spot. It's a good spot on the tree. Which way do I go? This way or up?
There's bukus of falls down through here, isn't there?
Yeah. It's so cool.
Let's walk over there.
Where?
I want to walk over on the rocks if we can get over there.
Right here?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think we can walk over there.
Ooh, cool little rock there.
You want both sticks?
So you might just have to go by yourself. There you go.
Come on, you can go.
I can't.
Yeah, you can. Just step right here.
It's too slippery.
Step right. It's not slippery. Plus, you got hiking boots on, babe.
Huh?
You got hiking boots on. Step on it. Step on there. Come right there. Come right here.
I need to go over there.
Yeah, we gotta go over there.
What?
We gotta go over there. We're gonna sit on that big rock face right there. Have lunch. Oh, we already had lunch.
I got to come there soon. I'm coming. I'll just go right here. Can I slip?
Nope.
Woo!
That's why you got hiking shoes.
Oh, crap. I made it. I did it.
Baby girl.
Oh my heavens.
In pieces.
Those are huge.
Oh, it's really hard to catch it in there. Couple few good pieces in there, ain't it?
It's a lot.
A lot of small stuff. There's a tree down up here you're gonna have to cross over top of.
Has it been there a long time?
Yep. There's 2 of them.
I can't believe you got my fat butt doing that.
I like it through here. It's definitely like jungle act, like